So hello everyone, this is Rajvinder Singh and today I'm going to discuss about registers. Okay, so what are registers? The definition is given in the screen. You can see the register are group of flip-flops. You already know about what is flip-flop. So the register is a group of flip-flop which is capable of storing only one bit of information. Okay, and what is the function of register? There are two functions of register. One is data storage and the second one is data movement. Okay, now coming to the shift register. Shift register is a group of flip-flop set in a linear fashion with their inputs and output connected together in such a way that the data is shifted from one device to another. Now you will ask me what is the difference between register and a shift register. So if the register is capable of shifting bits either towards the right hand side or toward the left hand side, then the register is known as shift register. So shift register is a type of register. Okay, and now we will talk about that there are actually four type of shift register. I am telling you the four types. One is serial in serial out shift register, that is known as SISO. The second one is serial in parallel out shift register, that is SIPO. And the third one is parallel in series out shift register, that is known as PISO. And the fourth one is parallel in parallel out shift register, that is PIPO. Okay, now we will just go through the definition and the circuit, like how is the circuit. So a shift in shift out SISO shift register are a kind of shift register where both data loading as well as data retrieval from the shift register occur in a serial mode. The logic circuit given below is a serial in serial out shift register. The circuit consists of 4D flip-flops which are connected in a serial manner. As you can see, all the flip-flops are synchronous with each other since the same clock speed, and signal is applied to each flip-flop. This is the SISO mode. Now coming to the second mode, it is parallel in parallel out shift register. The shift register which allows serial input one bit after the other through a single data line and produces a parallel output is known as serial in parallel out shift register. The circuit is given below. As you can see, this is the second mode of application, like the second mode. The third one is the parallel in series out. The parallel in series out shift register. It acts just opposite to that of the series into parallel out one above. The data is loaded into the register in a parallel format in which all the data bits enter their input simultaneously to the parallel inputs pins A and pin O of the register. Below you can see the pin O and pin A, and the circuit is given below. You can see from there. And the last one is parallel in parallel out shift register. This is the last mode of operation. This is the simplest of one. Okay, and what is the function? Like the parallel in parallel out PIPO shift registers are the type of storage device in which both data loading as well as data retrieval process occur in parallel mode. The PIPO, I already told that it is the simplest of all the configuration. It has only 3 connections. As you can see, the first connection is parallel input, which determine what enters the flip-flop. The second is the parallel output, and the third is sequencing clock signal, CLK. So these were the types of flip-flops. I hope you have understood. You can go through the above definition and all the circuit diagram, and I hope you understand this. Thank you very much.